Methods to practice listening and reading English. Hello everyone, I'm Honey. After a while I posted listening practice videos. I don't know if it will be of any help to everyone in listening and reading practice. I hope yes. To start with English, you should create sympathy with it. You will easily conquer it right away. Or at least, let's default in your head that, oh, English is very important now. It is a great opportunity for your future, so why not conquer it? People are trying, so why haven't we learned yet but have given up from the beginning? And learning English will be faster if there are tips and methods. Currently, on social networks, classes, courses, all offer good learning tips and methods because they are drawn from successful people who have gone before. However, everyone's learning and acquisition way is different, so there will be so many methods that you will be confused about which one you will be suitable for. So today I decided to share with everyone one of the easiest and most effective training methods.
Let's start. First, you do not need to force yourself into a framework of listening to the content you are not interested in at all, making you unable to concentrate, absorb, and give up easily. Therefore, from now on, change your mind, learn to listen to the content you love. Choose for yourself movies, programs such as fashion, cooking, comedy, or music, favorite topics. If you are interested in listening to topics, go to English Radio, Let's Get It channel. There will be many topics for you to choose from. That will help you evoke emotions, never feel tired, be easy to absorb, and always be interested in practicing English listening every day. To avoid listening too much but not absorbing it all, don't try to listen to a lot of content, but choose content with a suitable length for you and listen to it many times until you can repeat and understand. You need to practice listening often and continuously. You can listen when you are sad, when you're happy, when you're in the mood, anywhere, anytime, even when you're doing something else. That can give you a good reflex. You can imitate the native voice faster, listen a lot to help pronounce better. You should combine listening and reading along. After listening to a few times to the listening you have chosen, combine listening with the transcript to understand what you are listening to, and then what the words mean, how to pronounce it, etc. And of course, that will help you absorb new words in your head and also the phonetics. Finally, close your eyes and listen again. This time you must have figured out the listening, then taken notes of what you hear, compare with the original, and correct the mistakes. Many people think that learning to listen to English requires only the ears to work, but no matter what skill you learn, there is a close connection. Learning to listen is the same. Ear listening, mouth reading, eyes looking, hand taking notes can help the learning to be highly effective and practice the remaining skills. Using this method, you will further improve your English reading without having to search for more reading practice methods.
The method that Honey shared above for everyone is drawn from the experience of many people and from myself. Honey finds it very effective, so please refer to it. Note that the method is my personal opinion, so if some of you are not suitable, you can refer to other methods and share below for Honey and everyone to know. As long as you are determined, have faith, and try, your efforts will certainly not be wasted. Practice makes perfect.
Subscribe to continue listening to my English radio where I will share interesting things from life. I love you. I'm Honey.